Hare Krishna. Happy Damodar month and Happy Damodar month challenge. We would have heard this beautiful song. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, Shri Govinda Gopi Natha Madan Mohan. Vrindavan, it's the city of temples. Every house there is a temple. Continuously we would hear the sound of conch shell and ringing of the bells. That place is Vrindavan. And despite having so many temples, there are some temples which are very, very important temples. So the most important are these three whose name we just sang. Shri Govinda Gopi Natha Madan Mohan. There is a history behind this. So Vrajnath, who was the grandson of Uttara, he wanted to get the deities of Krishna carved. So he organized this carving and he called his grandmother to identify whether these deities are, just like Krishna. Because Uttara was the only one who had seen Krishna. So when Uttara first sees the deities of Madan Mohan, she said that these deities from waist down, like the legs, the limbs, it's exactly like Krishna. Then she was shown the deity of Gopinath and she said that the torso from neck till waist, this portion, the body, is exactly like Krishna. And then she was shown the third deity of Govindadev. Looking at Govindadev's face, she was so excited and devotionally happy because the face, those same eyes, same smile, same face cut. So she said this face is exactly like Krishna. So actually these three deities, that way, if we see the face, the body and the lower part of the body, total was just like Krishna. So actually these three deities, Govindadev ji, Madan Mohan ji and Gopinath ji, they are actually the deities which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu describes in Chaitanya Charitamrita as the Sambandha, Abhideya and Prayojan deities. So Sambandh means relationship. What is my relationship with Krishna? When the Jiva starts to ask that question, then we need to take shelter of Madan Mohan, because Madan Mohan is the deity of Sambandha Gyan. And the second what we talk about is, now I know the Sambandh, now I know the relationship. The second is Abhideya. How do I activate that? What is the process of activating that dormant relationship or Sambandh which I have with Krishna? So this Abhideya deity is actually Govindadev ji. And then the third one, when I know the Sambandh, when I am trying to activate that relationship, what is my goal? So the goal is Prayojan, and the deity for Prayojan or the goal is Gopinath ji. So this is how we have Sambandh, Abhideya and Prayojan. Sambandh deity Madan Mohan, Abhideya deity Govindadev and Prayojan deity is Gopinath. In the upcoming video, we will hear more about their Leelas and how they came into existence. Hare Krishna.